to some mathematics. In this video, we are to select the smallest number. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. Now, we want to rewrite these expressions. So this is the same as 9 raised to the power 9 over 99, or 27 raised to the power 6 over 77. Now, remember, 9 is the same as 3 raised to the power 2. And then 27 is the same as 3 raised to the power 3. So therefore, we are going to have 9, we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power 9 over 99, or 27, we can write it as 3 raised to the power 3, all raised to the power 6 over 77. Now from indices, that's the power rule, a raised to the power m, all raised to the power n, the same as a raised to the power mn. So if an indices is raised to a certain power, then you can multiply the powers. So in the same way, we are going to have 3 raised to the power 2 times 9 is 18 over 99, or 3 raised to the power 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 raised to the power 18 over 77. Okay, now let's divide through by 3 raised to the power 18. In that case, we are going to have 3 raised to the power 18 over 99 divided by 3 raised to the power 18, or 3 raised to the power 18 over 77 divided by 3 raised to the power 18. Now when we simplify, we are going to have 1 over 99, or 1 over 77. Now this is how we got it. So this will be 3 raised to the power 18 over 99 times 1 over 3 raised to the power 18. So this will cancel, so that we have 1 over 99. So the same thing applies to the right hand side. Now, okay, let's cross multiply. So we are going to have 77 and then 99. So we can observe that 77 is less than 99. If that is the case, then therefore 9 raised to the power 9 divided by 99 is the smallest. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I load a video, be alerted wherever you are. Bye.